It's a great day for a drive, especially in a 2025 Maverick XLT in Star White, and it has navy pier interior, seating for 5, 4 doors, and it has a 4-foot box. You've also got this really nice mat in the cargo area in the back, as well as a 4K trailer tow hitch, and you also have many other features. If you'd like to take this vehicle out on a test drive, you can book it online at islandford.ca. Stay tuned, we're going to have a look under the hood and inside and out. It's a 2-liter EcoBoost paired with an automatic transmission, and it's an all-wheel drive. Let's have a look inside. In the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is manually adjusted. All-weather mat with the Maverick badging on it, and you have your integrated trailer brake controller, high mount light, and lighting controls. And then on the face of the steering wheel, we have our cruise control and volume, menu, and hands-free dialing. And then this is a push start, so foot on the brake, key in the pocket, and we're going to push the engine start stop button. So then on the dash, any important messages, the odometer reading, and your menu will also come up there, and it has sub menus. In the center we have a little cubby up top here, and then we have this nice screen. This is a protective cover, so we can see we have a little side menu, and then we have the main one. Right now we are in settings, and you see it says setting right at the top, so you know where you are. Just slide through. They all have sub menus. You can go back home, and then you can just touch on the screen for your features. Your owner's manual is going to be in there, towing and driver assistance. Now when we put the vehicle in reverse, this is where we're going to see our backup camera view. So there's your center line, green, yellow, red, just how close we are to other objects or vehicles. Let's put us back into park, and then down below here we've got our dual climate control with our fan, and actually this is a single climate control. That's your fan control, AC, and you have your front defrost. And then down below volume, you've got your hazard lights, front defrost, and auto hold. So if you're on an incline or you're towing, you would use the auto hold, and you have a full 4K trailer tow hitch on this vehicle. Down below, your 12-volt USB-C and USB. I like this blue accent. It just makes it easy to see things. You can throw your stuff down there, plus your phone. And then you've got your dial shifter, electronic parking brake, traction control, auto stop start for less idle time, and you've got a couple of cup holders and bins. And these little bins, you see they have tabs on them, so they come out, it's easy to clean. And then the armrest opens up, lots of room in there. Glove compartment off to the side, manually dimming, rear view mirror, your lighting controls, as well as sunglass holder and grab handle in the body, just making it easier to get in. 17-inch wheels, mud flaps, black door handle, driver's side capless, easy fuel gas filler. The black handle extends to the tailgate, which is lockable, and just below your Ford badge is where your backup camera is located. You also have backup sensors on your bumper and a 4K trailer tow hitch, 4 and 7-pin connector. And then when you want to open it up, just put your hand in the latch, and you've got tie downs in all 4 corners and a nice mat there. And when you're ready, just close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. Speaker in the door, as well as power windows. There's seating for 3, and this is a bench seat. In the center we have an armrest with a couple of cup holders. I'm just going to pop this up. Now there's a tab on either side, but you only have to pull one, and then you can bring the seat up. There's nice storage underneath there, and you've got extra carpeted mats, slim pockets on the back of the front seat, and all-weather mats on the floor, USB outlets, and that little cutout, you can make a 3D print of cup holders or little table, whatever you'd like. And then you've got hooks and handles off to the side, dome lighting, and in the back, access to a big window. Box with mat and mud flaps, privacy glass in the back windows with window vents, adjustable side view mirrors, halogen headlights, and so many more reasons to visit us. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe. We have plenty to share with you, and we'd love to hear your comments.